NBA. They're actually.
Et ouais, en voyant le match, je me suis dit pourquoi pas m'intéresser à la NBA. Et puis ouais, la NBA en vrai c'est un vrai sport de fou. Donc c'est chaud, je me suis intéressé.
You can see the.
Awesome.
Perfect. Thank you. Action to come to France.
I work for the Pacers in Indy, so I'm here on my own, not working. For fun, but wanted to be here for the game. So.
Yeah. And what do you think is the future of the NBA internationally? How big do you think it will expand?
I think it's only grown. I mean, at this point, it's just growing bigger. I mean, they're doing it in other sports like golf and football and soccer and all the things. So, with the expansions of all those other athletics and things like that, I wouldn't see why not.
Again, you guys keep on.
Like this is planned.
Fin de possession.